You hear that Aaron became a hurricane here today. And so it's a Category 1 right now, but expected to really strengthen, possibly. And if it does strengthen and it goes into a form of rapid intensification, it may be getting into the beginning stages right now. I want to show you the satellite imagery trying to get an eye wall to form. Last night, trying to happen, didn't really occur. This could be the first signs of an eye wall, but you're also seeing pockets in here of at least space in between the big storm activity and the outer bands. One reason for that is it's going to be Saharan dust and some dry air is being driven into the storm. So that's kind of limited things. You look at the forecast now, I want to see how that's going to play out with that dust surrounding it and maybe getting in train. If that stops it from rapid intensification, because water temperatures are still really warm. Tropical storm watches in Anguilla, Bermuda, St. Martin, some of the islands, the northernmost parts there of the Lesser Antilles. And we look at tomorrow, Category 2 hurricane. Could be major hurricane status overnight Saturday to Sunday, and then a possibly Category 4 with max winds in the forecast up to 145. So really the thinking from the National Hurricane Center and a lot of the data do support that even with the dust that's there, that there's going to be a lot of strengthening out of this system. Forecast tracks have been much more certain here recently, and will track between Bermuda and the mid-Atlantic coast. A very large storm in size, so could still be lashed by some of the outer bands there in the outer banks of North Carolina. Bermuda specifically is going to get a lot of wave activity, but the thing is, this may not ever make landfall officially. There's a look at some of the intensity forecasts right now, possibly up to a 4, as you can see on the higher end.